This is my island in the sun.
Hey guys, we're over in Chadwick Lakes. It's part 2 of the regeneration of this. It's not a lake. I'm sure you've watched my videos before. Sir Chadwick, he was an engineer, came to help Malta. They were having problems with irrigation, and they know this valley used to rush right to Salina Bay, the water never stopping, and he devised this plan. They called it after him, Chadwick Lakes. He made a series of dams. You can see like they're blocking as it's going down, slowing down the flow of water. We're talking about how long, 1700s, something like that. I'm not sure exactly when it was built. When the British were here anyway. It's never been touched since then. And plants have taken over, they've clogged it up. You can see these plants growing up on the side. And the government decided they're going to regenerate the whole area. Maltese used to come here anyway for picnics and things like that, but it came a big clog mess. You know, the plants just stopped the water flow, the water wasn't going down, you was getting water problems up the top end there. So we're going to walk down now, we're going to keep walking all the way down. This is part 2 now. So what they're doing is waiting for the water to drain off. This is the start of it, but we had a big storm the other day, so that's where you see pockets of water. They're going to dig it all out, regenerate the banks, generate the areas all around, which they've started doing, planting, put these safety barriers. I much prefer the old ways, you know. This looks very clinical, but safety, I suppose, for kids and things like that. They're going to put these railings everywhere. Comes all the way from the Valley of Mustard, coming down all the way to Salina Bay. Look how it's filled up. I bet what's this, an old tree here, an old stump. They tried to burn it, I think. You can see it from the other side. They're trying to regenerate the bank, push it back a little bit. Then they'll come here, they dig all this out. It goes down quite a bit. It's all silt that's been pushed down from the valleys over the years. We're talking about a few hundred years, guys. It's never been touched. They've rebuilt the banks here, you can see. This was like a canal, but the Maltese nicknamed it after him, Chadwick Lakes, because they look like a series of lakes. There's a lovely little bridge at the bottom, Mtafa, just up the top there. That's a lovely place to walk around. You've got the old hospital up there, there's tunnels. Wow, the wind is picking up a little bit. We're in a bit of a valley, so maybe it's getting caught flowing down. I'm going to walk all the way down for you. Not all the way to Salina, because I'm tired. I did a video before here. It is a bit dangerous, eh? That's a lovely road that comes up from Mtafa. You go up to the main road of Rabat. I said that I'd come back. This is part 2. Part 1 they were generating the top area, but they seem as if they've, I don't know if they've dug it up or they seem to have gone back, because maybe this wall they dug, that's why, and then the silt has come down a bit more. Obviously going to wait for all this water to drain away as soon as the sun gets going in Malta. We had a freak shower about 3 days ago. Big storm with ice and thunderstorm. So the summer hasn't set in yet. Let's walk this way, guys. Oh, there is a few people. Normally when I come down here in the afternoon there's nobody. So maybe it's getting some people interest. There's nice walks. You can go down to the tunnel here. There's like a bridge at the bottom. This was all full of water, so they couldn't have done that before. Oh, I think they've built the bridge a little bit more. They put this fencing up here all along. They're going to make it into a whole picnic regeneration area. Ooh. They've just realised that there's water down there. It's like a bog. They thought they were going to walk up there. It's all like full of water. Oh, they started on the other side as well here. Let's walk down. We'll keep walking down a little bit here. This goes towards Salina. Obviously they're going to change all this area now. This was like full of water all the way down. I think they're going to redo the walls here. The walls are caving in a lot. And regenerate the banks along the side. I think they're just waiting for draining the water away. It's been drained from the top there. Normally it's right up to the banks here. Winter time, it's flowing really strong. Here's Baita Tashauk. Motis really love it. This is an awesome valley to walk down. You can walk all the way down. I think it goes for about 2 hours. You can walk down that area. Oh, they've got lots of work to do here. Normally it's coming over the top of the water. You can see how deep it would be normally. It flows over the top and down the other side. Look at the beautiful area here, guys. I bet you've never seen Chadwick lakes like this. You expats. It's normally full of water. Even in the summer, it's not too bad. Contains a little bit of water. Lovely open side, countryside here. Let's see how far we're going to go down. I think the other side should be completely without water because nothing's come over the top. I forget, I made part 1. I'll do it again like this, so many millions it costs to regenerate it. All this area is going to be dug out. You can see nothing's flowing now. How it's taken over this bamboo and plants. This is really beautiful habitat for birds and that, but completely clogged up. No one is flowing down there. Quick video, guys, part 2. Hope you enjoyed it. Give you an idea what's going on. They're regenerating the whole area. Chadwick Lakes. Thank you, guys. Bit windy, I know, but what can you do? Windy island. Bye, see you soon. Thanks for following me. If you're new here, awesome videos of cooking and adventures and childhood memories cooking, and I'm gonna do some like taste tests of the junk food. See you guys. Part 2, Chadwick Lakes, regeneration. I think it's some millions it's gonna cost. Be back here again when they've dug a bit more. Bye, guys.
Englishman from Malta, and I will show you all the signs. So please subscribe to my channel and give me lots of likes.